Magic rhymes.
Hey friends, come along with me. Let's see what's in my lunchbox. Whee! Healthy foods, colorful and fun. Open it up, everyone.
In my lunchbox, fruits I see. Apples, berries, and kiwi for me. Sweet and juicy, bright and red. Healthy snacks to keep me fed.
Carrots, cucumbers, peppers too. Crunchy veggies, orange, green, and blue. Dip them in hummus, take a bite. Veggies make me strong and right.
Eggs and cheese, beans that grow. Chicken, nuts, protein helps me go. Energy for play, study and fun. Keeps me healthy on the run.
Bread and rice, oats in my part. Whole grains give my body a snack. Fuels my brain, fuels my heart. Helps me learn and do my part.
Water or milk I sip with glee. Keeps me strong and happy as can be. Juice is okay, but not too sweet. Hydration makes my day complete.
A little treat, a cookie small. Balance is key, I can have them all. Healthy lunch with love and care. Yum, 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 nothing can compare.
All my food is gone, hooray!
I had a healthy, happy day.
Fruits, veggies, grains, and treats too.
Thanks, Lunchbox, I love you. See you next time, friends, goodbye.
Keep eating healthy, reach for the sky.
Like, share, subscribe, come and play Magic Rhymes.